Severe weather threatened nearly 90 million people along the East Coast today. The powerful system killed 3 people in Virginia after killing 3 others in the Gulf states overnight. Officials say at least 7 tornadoes struck Louisiana and Mississippi and left thousands without power. Drone video captured the destruction in Pensacola, Florida, where more than 70 homes were damaged. Meanwhile, a major snowstorm blasted parts of the Midwest today, canceling more than 1,000 flights to and from Chicago.